Hey guys, today we are doing an empty house tour.
So if you've been watching our vlogs, you know that we are in the process of moving and we finally bought a house, and so we haven't moved in yet. We move in a couple of weeks, but we are here today and we're going to do an empty walkthrough of the house and show you the layout and all of that. So yeah, let's get started.
So when you first walk in, this is what you see. So over here are the stairs.
And then behind Caitlin, we have like our foyer area. So this is like just the foyer. You can put like a table here or a Christmas tree. And then when you go to the right, we have an office. So
it has French doors.
It's French doors. It's very nice. And then it's just a nice office, which will be nice because our mom works from home, so she can work in there. And then for the time being, that's actually going to be my like temporary room because we'll explain why later. But yeah, so that's very nice. Then if you go this way, you see Maddie.
Oh, hi.
And then going to the left. Okay, so when you walk in the front door and go to the left, you can see our living room. So it's just a nice open room. It has a bunch of windows, which is very nice. Okay, so then when you're in our living room, behind us, we have our dining room, which we're just...
Okay, just so you know, there's something on your leggings.
Yeah, it's just a really nice open concept. You have your living room straight into your dining room. So then when you're in our dining room, we have, if you go this way, it's our kitchen. So I'll let Caitlin show you around our kitchen.
So when you first walk into the kitchen, right here is our pantry. So this is our pantry. It's just a little cute door. Not as big as our other pantry, but what can you do? Okay, so then here is our fridge. It's just a freezer over here. For some reason, and Panera, which was here the first time we saw the house. Don't know why they kept it in here, but here's the fridge. And then over here we have this little counter space. So we're gonna make this into a coffee bar. It's gonna be really cute. So then we have tons and tons of cabinets and drawers in this kitchen. Then right here is our little like island thing, which is super nice because it's like really huge. And there is a cooktop on it. So this is fun, and then it extends out to here, and there's a ton of cabinets on the side of it. And then over here we have 2 ovens, which is nice, and these cabinets. And over here we have tons of more counter area, and a microwave, and all of the appliances are brand new, just fun. And then we have a cute. We have our dishwasher. They used it looks like. And then our sink, and it's one of the fancy ones that comes detached. So that's fun. Now directly behind the kitchen we have our like breakfast area. So this will be where our normal kitchen table goes, and then in our dining room it'll be our fancier dining room table. So right here, like this stuff comes off the window, don't worry. Yeah, it's really nice. Like, I love the windows. It brings so much light into this room. It's super nice. Right here we have this little ledge that comes out, so we can put our bar stools here, which is perfect. And if you guys know our family, you know we spend all of our time in the kitchen hanging out. So it's nice that we have such a huge kitchen because we are going to be spending all of our time here. So right out here is our deck. It's locked for some reason. It's raining, so I don't want to take you guys out there, but you get a gist of it. And I hate the color of it, honestly. But
yeah, but it has a hot tub,
which is super nice.
That'll be so much fun. And this is right off of our breakfast area. So French doors to go out there, super nice.
So then right off the kitchen is our family room.
So it's nice, open, it has a fireplace, which is really nice, and a ceiling fan. And speakers.
Right off of the kitchen is our garage and laundry room. Over here is our washer and dryer.
And then we have a nice sink right here that I don't know what we would use this for, but you know, whatever.
And then right through here is the garage. So nothing fancy, just a garage.
Yep. And then next to the laundry room and garage, we have a half bath. So it just has a toilet and the sink in here.
So then directly next to the powder room is a closet, which is nice. We can hang up our coats and stuff.
Okay, so let's go upstairs.
So straight ahead when you walk up the stairs is my parents' room. So it's really big.
And then to the side, it is TJ's room. The TJ's room is just a nice size room. He has a really nice size closet, 2 windows, and just basic bedroom.
So over here, my parents have this humongous closet. It's like bigger than my room at the old house.
It's literally so
insane.
Big.
It's like the size of my room.
Yeah, seriously.
And then they have this whole space, but then in here is their bathroom. Whoops. So this is like pretty big. And they have a little toilet room in here.
And their bathtub.
They have a nice window to keep it nice and bright in here.
Bathtub and a shower. So it's very nice. And then if you're at the top of the stairs and you go back this way.
Over here is the kids' bathroom. So this is the bathroom me and Leanna and TJ are sharing, and Kylie while she's waiting for hers to be finished. So it just has 2 sinks. The shower and the toilet and little medicine cabinet, nothing overly exciting. And then straight ahead is a linen closet. It's pretty spacious in there.
Yeah, it's bigger than our old one.
Now to the right is my room. So it's pretty similar to TJ's. It's a foot smaller than TJ's, but it has only 1 window. And then over here is my closet, and it's a little smaller than TJ's because of the linen closet, but it's still pretty nice size. So that's
anything's bigger than the one you had at our old house.
That's true.
And then straight ahead from there is Leanna's bedroom. So Leanna's bedroom is basically the same as Katelyn's. The only difference is that she has 2 windows, and her room is a foot bigger, or 2 feet bigger than Katelyn's, I think.
Yeah. So mine's the smallest and TJ's and Leanna's.
Yeah. So it's a little bit bigger, and she has 2 windows, but other than that, it's just basic what
But our squares are all basically like the same size.
Yeah,
the
same
nice because
and they're all so much bigger than our old rooms.
Yeah, there's not one overly small one or one overly large one.
And then her closet's the same as Katelyn's too.
Okay, so right by the hall closet and the powder room is the door to the basement. So down here is the basement, and it is unfinished. So, but over here, there's going to be a bathroom right here. This is like right next to the stairs, and then we have like all this area.
It's huge down here, but it's not finished yet. So then when you go down the stairs and go to the right, this will eventually be my bedroom. So my door will be right here, and then my room will go back. So it'll be a little bit bigger than all the bedrooms upstairs besides my parents, obviously. And then I'm gonna have a nice walk-in closet and everything, so I'm super excited about that. But unfortunately, I have to wait a few months, so that's why I'm sleeping in the office for the time being. But yeah, so we're kind of silhouettes right now, but these are the doors to go outside to the backyard. You just walk up them and then go up there. So we're not gonna go outside in our backyard right now because it is raining, but our backyard's not fenced in yet, but it's really big. It's like a little bit over half an acre, I think, so that's pretty big, especially going from a townhouse backyard to that. So that's super exciting. But when we fence all that in and stuff, another day when we move it in and it's not raining, we will show you guys that. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed our empty house tour, and look forward to more moving vlogs and room tours, and I'll be doing like updates of my room as it's being built and all of that. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed already. And yeah, peace, love, and ladybugs. Bye.
Love and ladybugs. Peace, love and ladybugs. Peace, love and ladybugs.